Welcome to this module, guys. So in the last module, as you guys know, we talked about thank you stickers and motivational stickers. In this module, we'll go over a t-shirt design that I think can make a lot of sales on Redbubble, which is motivational t-shirts. Um, I personally have a couple by myself just to, when I look in the mirror, it just motivates me. And I've seen a lot going around, and it's part of the trend. Um, So as we go ahead and filter out and search for motivational t-shirts, we see a lot of designs provided by Canva. Um, the best one that I love is Be Strong. It's just a design that's very minimal, and also there are a couple themes on it. So you could choose the ochre one, or you can choose the black one. I'm personally gonna go with the black one. It's very simple to design, and it it's a strong message by itself. So what we can do is we can go ahead and share and download like we did for the stickers, and then we'll in the later modules we can go over on how to upload this on our t-shirts and leverage this to sell on Redbubble and make a passive income out of it. So let's go ahead and download this. And that's it, guys. We have our third product, which is motivational t-shirts that we're going to be leveraging and selling on Redbubble to make passive income. Also, guys, in the resources section of this module, I'm going to be going ahead and putting a list of 10 designs that I think can make the best sales on Redbubble, and you can leverage to make sales on Redbubble. So please go ahead and check it out, and feel free to leverage it and create those designs and make some money. See you guys in the next module.